Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to enable Apple Intelligence on your iPhone iOS 26. As you know that iPhone has launched the latest iOS 26 updates on iPhone iOS 26 devices. And now if you want to enjoy the Apple Intelligence and you want to enable on your device, then how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have to watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to general. And after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on transfer or reset iPhone. And what you have to do, you have to click on that, and you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, you have to simply go back. What you have to do, you have to simply go to the settings, and here you have to simply look for Apple Intelligence and Siri. But before this, you have to make sure that your device supports the Apple Intelligence. So there are only few devices which supports Apple Intelligence. They have a chipset which can support Apple Intelligence, so you have to make sure about that. So if you have iPhone 15 or later device, then you can simply enjoy the Apple Intelligence. Otherwise, you will not be able to enjoy that, because if you want to enjoy the Apple Intelligence, you have a specification that requires the Apple Intelligence. So if you want to turn it on, then you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to simply look for Apple Intelligence and Siri, because my device also doesn't support that, so it will not be available. So if you want to find it, then it will also available in your device. If you have iPhone 15 or later, then you will find it here, and you can simply enable it on your device without any problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.